Are you ready to change your life today? Digital Wealth Academy benefits are designed to help you take the first step toward financial independence, even if you have no prior experience. This comprehensive program offers a done-for-you digital marketing course, product, and community, ensuring that you have all the tools you need for success. With Digital Wealth Academy benefits, you gain access to over 80 easy-to-follow videos that guide you through every aspect of building your own online business. You'll learn how to research the industry, create your own course, and build a sales system, all while enjoying the Digital Wealth Academy benefits of a supportive community. There are no upsells, so when you enroll, you receive everything you need, including updates and access to a vibrant support network. Each week, the Digital Wealth Academy benefits include live mentorship calls, where you can engage with the team, ask questions, and stay focused on your goals. You'll also enjoy ongoing course updates with absolutely no monthly fees or hidden charges, making the Digital Wealth Academy benefits even more appealing. One of the standout features is the master resell rights. Once you get started, you can sell the course and keep 100% of the profits. This means that as you learn, you can also earn, maximizing the Digital Wealth Academy benefits. Even if you have no tech skills, you can accomplish your goals in just 20 to 30 minutes a day from your phone without ever needing to show your face. The Digital Wealth Academy benefits cater to beginners, ensuring that everyone can succeed in building an online business that runs around the clock. You'll receive 6 high-quality private label rights, PLR, guides, ready to be sold or edited, giving you even more content to work with. Each guide is created in Canva, making it easy to personalize, and they range from 50 to 150 pages of incredible content, showcasing the Digital Wealth Academy benefits of having ready-to-use materials. Additionally, you'll have access to the Content Vault, which features a variety of resources, including video clips, faceless content, Spanish content, IG stories, and testimonials, all designed to enhance your projects. The Digital Wealth Academy benefits extend to various course modules, starting with an introduction to the program and how to navigate the platform effectively. You'll learn how to build a value-driven brand, a crucial step in attracting the right audience, highlighting the Digital Wealth Academy benefits of strategic branding. The course will also teach you about email marketing, essential for growing a business that operates 24/7 on autopilot, emphasizing the Digital Wealth Academy benefits of effective communication. You'll discover the ultimate branding guide, which will provide the foundation for a powerful brand, and learn how to create engaging content with Reels, the #1 way to drive traffic online. The Digital Wealth Academy benefits also cover building trust with your audience through storytelling, which is vital for long-term success. You'll learn about creating a sales funnel, a higher converting method of selling online, along with the Digital Wealth Academy benefits of understanding master resell rights in a rapidly growing industry. As you progress, you'll explore the trend of faceless brands and how to edit videos effectively, ensuring you can create engaging content. The Digital Wealth Academy benefits include affiliate marketing strategies, allowing you to create additional income streams. You'll learn the basics of digital marketing, including different business setups, and the legal documents necessary for master resell rights, reinforcing the Digital Wealth Academy benefits of thorough preparation. With exclusive bonuses like a custom sales funnel, email campaigns, and fast start setup, the Digital Wealth Academy benefits are designed to provide you with a competitive edge. You'll also receive support from experienced mentors, ensuring you're never left to navigate the process alone. The Digital Wealth Academy benefits are clear. You can take control of your financial future, learn at your own pace, and join a thriving community of like-minded individuals. If you have questions, support is readily available, making it easy to get the answers you need. By embracing the Digital Wealth Academy benefits, you position yourself for success in the digital marketplace, creating opportunities that can lead to financial freedom and personal growth. So, take the leap today and discover how the Digital Wealth Academy benefits can transform